This is part 3 of my birthday.
Hello.
And here we are at the John and Dad Show. Today we have 3 pop vinyls and 4 of these mystery minis. I brought out my Muppets pop vinyls we used in the last
just
video.
too cool.
I brought out my 4 favorite Muppets because they were adorable. Superhero Kermit's over there on the stage.
If we can get him.
If you want to show him.
Can't get him that far over.
So the ones I brought out were Kermit, Fozzie Bear, Sam the Eagle, and Animal.
But what are we opening today? We got 3 pop vinyls. I'll kind of help you.
We have Breazly, Sneezely, and Hong Kong Fooey.
Earlier we did Topcat, and Topcat goes along with Breazly and Sneezely. They're these Hanna-Barbera characters. I watched a couple of Topcat cartoons. He was a smooth character. Cartoons from 1961 are the best.
It looked kind of like Sneezely's head would turn. It doesn't.
Doesn't turn?
It doesn't though. But
Let me
it
see him
like
and I'll hold him
would.
up here. I'll hold him in the camera and you can stay seated.
You can look at him, see if you think his head might turn.
Breazly, I don't know what he said. He does not have a turning head.
Sneezely.
Looks green.
Sneezely.
Sneezely does not smell like pistachios or green apples. He's just a green bear.
Can I smell?
Yeah, smell him. And he's got a funny little sailor hat, and we should look up his show too. We definitely need to totally Netflix some Topcat. You know, when we watched that whole season of Snagglepuss, that was great. Topcat, we need to remember.
Yeah, I'm scared if you try to turn his head, he might break.
What about Breazly? He is some sort of... So Sneezely has got a sailor hat, and Breazly has like an air pilot's hat on. So
now
somehow those guys do that.
Now, Sneezely's head didn't turn.
No.
But it looks like it would.
Yep, that's what we just said.
It looks exactly like it would.
It does. It doesn't, though. So let's move on. We've got a lot to open.
I don't want to break it, so I wouldn't try.
Well, no, because it doesn't turn. It does not turn. His collar, his little Navy sailor collar gets in the way.
Breazly, do you think Breazly's going to have a turning head?
Sneezely, Breazly, Topcat. I think no. He does not have a turning head.
Breazly? You don't think Breazly?
We're about to find out. It looks like it does.
It was the same with Sneezely, I just said. It looked like his head turned.
Sometimes they do.
Did you look at Sneezely?
Fozzie does have a turning head. Fozzie Bear. One of our hardest to find and most rare pop vinyls. Come on over here, Breazly.
Is this Sneezely or Breazely?
That's Breazly. And his head turns.
Hey, I was right about that.
He's got a cool hat on. Look at that face. Make that face for the camera, John. That's a good one. Very good. And this was my favorite cartoon character growing up. Grammy is going to be happy I got this one for you. Hong Kong Fooey. He lived in a filing cabinet, and he was a crime-fighting dog that knows karate. Fantastic show. One of the classics. Does he look like he could fight crime?
Oh, the Flintstones are in this set.
Does he look like he knows karate? Yeah, they were on the same channel. Look at his karate. Hong Kong Fooey. Turning head.
So these were the ones in the set. There's Fred Flintstone, Barney Rubble, Frankenstein Jr., and the Impossibles. Hong Kong Fooey and Huckleberry Hound. Huckleberry Hound would be cool to get. He's cool.
We may have him somewhere. But so what about these mystery minis, what we're going to do next? They're the last 4 Disney Villains mystery minis.
The ones we still need, because we got the Queen of Hearts already.
Tell us up here. We got the Queen of Hearts. What do we still need? Facilier?
Dr. Facilier and Hayabusa, and that's it.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. His head turns.
Whoa. All right, let's see what we get. Who are we going to get? Let's move everybody over here.
Yeah, you can move those.
I'm going to move them. You start opening.
Try to be careful with them because they're expensive.
Animal!
Mana, mana, doo, doo.
Mana, mana.
Doo, 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 doo.
Mana, mana. So all we need is Hayabusa and Dr. Facilier.
I don't know if we'll get Dr. Facilier. He's
It's
1 out of
almost
7.
impossible. But we've had a great day, so you never know. Who's
It's
that?
a duplicate.
Duplicate
Pain.
of Pain.
Duplicate
There you go. That'll go in the
Pain.
duplicate pile. Okay.
They're shaking.
Well, let's be careful. 3 more. Cross fingers, folks. Let's hope. Let's hope.
I hope we get Dr.
Hope.
Facilier.
Hope.
Dr.
Please.
Facilier.
Please. 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 Please.
Dr.
Please,
Facilier
please,
is
please.
really, really rare. He's 1 out of 72. So if we got Dr. Facilier, we'd be extremely lucky. I don't even know if that'll happen. At first, I thought this was going to be Dr. Facilier, but it was Cruella de Vil.
Well, she's pretty cool, but we've had several of her.
And she's a duplicate.
She's pretty cruel. Cruel. Okay.
Cruel devil.
2 more. 2 more.
After this, if you want, we can go search for Dr. Teeth.
We're not going to find Dr. Teeth, but we do have a Dr. Teeth in the house somewhere. It just got lost before birthday.
Well, who knows? We could look for him later today.
There's nowhere really to look. Mom and Shannon, they'll look for him later. And you've got Disney, Villain, Mystery Mini,
Duplicate.
Maleficent, the reg. There you go. Eee. So let's see. Will we get lucky?
And get Dr. Facilier or
I don't
Hayabusa.
know. I don't remember where I got these for. They just came in the mail.
This does not feel like Dr. Facilier. It kind of feels a little bit like a bird, but I think it might be the wrong bird.
So you think it's Iago?
Diablo.
Diablo. So is that who it is? Yep. Diablo.
A duplicate.
Alright, so we had a pretty good run. Who do we want to dismiss us? Maybe Hong Kong Fooey. Or Breazly. Or Fozzie Bear. Fozzie Bear, okay, Kermie.
How does he talk?
I don't think he talks like this.
I think he talks
He's a
kinda
Fozzie
like,
Bear.
he kind of talks like Bert, I think.
Kermie? Yep, he does.
Hello, I am Fozzie Bear.
There we go. What do you
He
think?
talks kind of like
Thanks
Bert.
for joining us.
Please like
We'll
and
do a few more for
subscribe.
birthday.
And until next time, goodbye.